Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious tiramisu. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 6 large egg yolks, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, and about 250 milliliters of strong espresso. Don't forget 1 package of ladyfingers and some unsweetened cocoa powder for dusting. Next, we'll prepare the coffee infusion. Brew about 250 milliliters of very strong espresso and allow it to cool to room temperature. This is crucial for preventing the ladyfingers from becoming too soft. Dip each ladyfinger quickly for just 1 or 2 seconds into the cooled coffee. You want them moist, but not saturated, to maintain their structure. Now, let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. In a bowl, whisk 6 large egg yolks with 150 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture is pale yellow and thick. Then, gently fold in 500 grams of mascarpone cheese until it's fully incorporated and smooth. Be careful not to overmix, as this can cause the cream to separate. Finally, it's time to assemble our tiramisu. Arrange a single layer of coffee-dipped ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Spread half of the mascarpone cream evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat with another layer of ladyfingers and the remaining cream. Dust generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Chill the tiramisu for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.